Come unbox with Nesthetic today. Today we are in South Austin. We have a box out project, which is also referred to as unpacking. So after you move in, we've got the movers here, a ton of boxes over here, if you can see those. But the first thing we always do is figure out functional placement. So the other day, Maura and I came over here. We took our handy dandy sticky notes and we did a complete walkthrough of the kitchen to kind of figure out where things are gonna go. This helps speed up the unpacking process. We're not having to pause to think about this goes here or this goes there. So very helpful when we kind of get into the space and start doing the work. Specifically pointing out today, spices. So this client, this is her beautiful new kitchen. Glasses and bowls really only make sense in these two cabinets. So we kind of talked to her about spices. Does she want a spice moment here? Does she want a beautiful, jars and things like that? She does not. She prefers them tucked away. So to solve that, we are doing spices in the drawers. The name of the game is just getting everything out of boxes. So we'll obviously come back through and organize this. But for now, this was our solve for this kitchen.